Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we are diving into a topic that's closer than you think, your relationship with money. Don't worry, we've got 10 super simple and interesting tips to help you and your money become the best of pals. Let's get started. First up, let's have a money date night. Take some time to sit down with your money and review your finances. It's like giving your wallet a little hug. Tip number 2 is all about being curious. Ask questions about your spending and saving habits. Getting to know your money better is like discovering a new friend. Tip number 3, set goals together. Whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off a debt, working towards something makes you and your money a dynamic duo. Time for tip number 4, celebrate small wins. Did you save a bit more this month? High five your wallet and pat yourself on the back. Tip number 5 is to learn the money ABCs. Understand basic financial terms like budget, interest, and investment. It's like speaking the same language as your money. And this channel is here for that purpose. So hit the subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't, so you don't miss any content. Moving on to tip number 6. Control impulse buys. Before you spend, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Your wallet will thank you later. Tip number 7 is to make a money friend. Share your money goals with someone you trust. They can cheer you on and offer support when money matters get tough. Tip number 8, learn from mistakes. We all slip up sometimes, and that's okay. Instead of feeling bad, see what you can learn and do better next time. Almost there with tip number 9. Save a bit, always. Even if it's just a tiny amount, regular saving builds a strong bond between you and your money. Last but not least, tip number 10. Stay positive. A good attitude can make a big difference in your money relationship. Smile and your money will smile back. Keep that positivity going, and that will motivate you to take actions in improving your finances. These are 10 simple ways to improve your relationship with money and make it your BFF. Remember, just like any friendship, it takes time and effort, but the rewards are totally worth it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your pals who could use some money love too. Have you heard of the 24-hour rule of spending? If not, check out this video. Until next time, keep those positive money vibes flowing, and thank you for watching.